Hi, I'm Rosa. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to take you with me as I get ready for a camping trip. And actually, it's tonight. It's night. We're leaving tomorrow. It's been a long, hard summer, and we're taking a 3-day weekend to go camping at Disney, which is my favorite place to camp. And I'm going to show you how I pack up my trailer, and I'm going to show you how I pack for the trip clothing-wise. And if we weren't just rolling off the summer, I would typically make a list of the foods we're going to take so that we can have meals on the camper. But we're leaving Saturday. We're coming back Sunday. We live about two and a half hours from Disney. And we've decided we're going to keep things very simple on this trip, and it's something we've done before. We're not going to cook. We're going to eat out. We're going to hit a couple of the parks, and we're going to have a good time. And one of the reasons we decided to do it, even though it's more expensive, is we don't want to stress over this trip. So we're just going to go with it and roll. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to pack. It's going to be a simple trip. We are going to get a day started and then leave for Disney. We should be there midday Friday, and we'll go to one of the parks, and we'll go get on Saturday and come home Sunday. And we are taking our dogs. That's why we have a travel trailer, or one of the reasons, so that we can take our dogs with us when we camp. So in a perfect environment, I would have our menu laid out. I've gone grocery shopping. I've loaded the travel trailer. I've gotten my clothing, and I've cleaned my house so that when I return from our camping trip, I just have to do the laundry and go about my business, or our business. But that's not realistic right now because I'm busy. So my house is dirty. I like I said, I didn't make a menu plan, and I'm going to grab some clothing. So I keep our travel trailer pretty stocked. Not with food or anything, any kind of seasonings or oils. I used to, but we don't use it enough to warrant keeping anything like that on there. I don't want it to spoil. And it gets very hot in the summer in the travel trailer, so I don't want things cooking that shouldn't be. So I keep our sheets on there for the beds, the blankets. I keep umbrellas, things like little hoodies, coats, things to, not coats, but like a sweatshirt, a vest, gloves, and some outerwear for the dogs, because we tend to go camping in the colder months and they get cold. Doggies get cold. So I need to pack our clothing, and since, like I said, we'll be there Friday. We get there Friday, we'll be there Saturday, we come home Sunday. So it's basically 2 days, more or less. And 2 nights, Friday night, Saturday night. So let me show you what I've packed. This is the overview. And I've overpacked, I know. So I'm wearing tomorrow, Friday, the outfit I have on right now, because I took a shower, put it on, and it's comfortable, and I'm going to wear it tomorrow. It's not dirty. So I am packing 2 pair of shorts, Saturday and the ride home Sunday, or if I spill something, I have shorts. Either way, it's 2 pair of shorts, 2 shirts for those 2 pair of shorts, an extra t-shirt. I'm going to take these Birkenstocks, as well as a pair of tennis shoes that I'll be wearing. Shower shoes. Now, I've told you we have a travel trailer. We have an Airstream that I have fondly named the Boyfriend. And this is actually my second boyfriend. We had an older boyfriend who he was 2014, and he was good. And at one point we had several blowouts, and we had the boyfriend fixed, but I didn't have confidence in him any longer. So we have a new boyfriend, and the new boyfriend's been good. And the reason that I named the travel trailer the Boyfriend is because I love him. He takes me on vacation, takes me to places that I'm going to relax, and we always have a good time together. So that's why I named him the Boyfriend. But at Disney and other places that have nice bathrooms, I shower outside of the boyfriend. We'll use a shower on the Airstream, but not always. If there's a good shower, we'll use a shower somewhere else. So I have my shower shoes, which actually match my duffel bag where my clothing's gonna go into. That's just Vera Bradley that I had gotten on sale about a year or so ago. I have a little baggie of my underwear and socks. This is a little dress, a summer dress that I'm gonna take with me just in case I wanna wear it Friday night or Saturday night, or it's an option. And then I have a pair of jeans and a blouse that I probably won't wear, but I'm going to take it just in case we decide to go to Disney Springs, and I want to wear something besides what I have. But Orlando's very hot, especially in the summer months. It could be cool in the winter, but it's very hot in the summer because it's on the interior of the state. There isn't much of a breeze or anything there, so I don't think I'll be wearing that outfit, but I'm taking it. And then my little toiletry bag. So on the Airstream, I keep shower gels and all kinds of stuff that we would need for a trip, so that it's handy when I'm packing it each time. But of course I have lotion and a hairbrush and Q-tips and just a little moisturizer, a variety of things that I'm going to need. And I'm not taking any makeup other than some mascara that I keep in my purse because it's a quick weekend, it's gonna be hot, and I just want to relax. That's what I really want to do on this trip. So since I'm just throwing everything together for this trip, I want to keep it as stress-free as possible. I'm going to put my bag on the sofa for tomorrow. I have a note opened up on my phone with a list of things not to forget, like my phone chargers, my vitamins, a toothbrush. As I think of things, I put it on that list. And that way in the morning, I'll just grab those items. I find that if I do not wait to the day of to pack, I will pack less. So if I grab or plan out my days and grab them and put them away, I may take things out before I leave, I may add something, but I tend to pack less. If I grab things at the last minute in a hurry, I'll definitely pack too many things that I won't use. So like I said, I'm trying to go light, and I will show you tomorrow what the travel trailer looks like and what else I grab and how it looks getting out the door. It's about 9 a.m. the next day. I'm carrying a few things, it's dark in here, sorry, into the trailer so that we can get going. I got my bag in tow, some bleach wipes, a mop, head, yeah. Here is the trailer as we're about to go underway. Gotta make sure everything's put up, including the vacuum. In the back here, you see I made the beds and put my bag, my husband's bag. We got chairs back here. Sorry about the lighting. We want to put things where they're not going to move too much. But this is what it looks like as we're getting ready to go down the road. And we're going to lock it up and get in the truck. I went through my list this morning and made sure I had everything I needed. I have a little book bag here. I have a little book bag here. I'll show you. Babies. All three of them in the back seat. And this little book bag of mine with assorted things that I may want and probably will not use on the trip. Violet. Somebody doesn't like anybody touching her. She's like a little kid in the back seat complaining that her sibling is touching her. So she growls. See? Violet. Be nice. Be nice. Be nice. You gotta be nice. We have arrived at Disney and we have our campsite. We're setting it up right now. The dogs are having some water. Here's a view out the side. That is my son out there with my husband getting us set up. And I need to get the inside, finish setting up the inside. Here is our Airstream. It's a 27-foot International. It's a 2020. This is the second one we've had. The first one was a 2014, and we had it until we purchased this one. There is Violet and Dash. The dinette set up in the back. This here is a little ottoman that has storage that I like in here. It's a little messy right now, but there's our sink, and this is the best. You just put it on top. I think I got this from QVC. And now you have extra counter space. And this is a massively large bottle. And we didn't cook this weekend, so we didn't set up the kitchen. This turns into a bed for our son. Refrigerator. Our little kitchen. Here's my Mickey souvenir that I picked up this trip. He's a popcorn canister. Closet, shower, bathroom. And the bedroom. Twin beds. Our original or our first Airstream had a queen size bed. But when we ordered this one, we opted for a twin size bed because it gives you a lot more room in the bedroom, and we could use that for the dogs. And of course you get a panoramic view when the blinds are open, but they're closed right now because the truck is on that side, and we usually keep the street side closed. We like to have the back side open to enjoy the view. And this is our little abode for our 3-day weekend at Disney. Disney's Fort Wilderness. If anyone's curious, we're in the 1700 loop, which is a classic, awesome full hookup loop.
We are back, and I didn't show you anything past a few snippets of us enjoying the parks, but it was good. We really had a good time. So we got there Friday, set up the trailer, went into the Magic Kingdom, enjoyed that. Then we went to out to dinner in close to the park. And then the next day we went into Hollywood Studios, went back to the trailer to relax. After we relaxed for a good while, then we went back, we went to Epcot and enjoyed Epcot for a while. And then that was Saturday night, and we thought, let's just go home tonight. We're 2.5 hours from home, and we'll wake up at home tomorrow and can do a little work around the house before we start the week, which we weren't going to go into the parks on Sunday, so it didn't matter. So that's what we did. We went home Saturday night. Next morning we woke up and I took everything off the Airstream and washed it, which is what I usually do. Once we get home, I take off the linens, anything that's dirty, wash it, and then put everything right back on to the Airstream so that we have it for next time, and that works really well for us. So it was a good trip. Thanks for coming along with me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.